Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy. And I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and then you will see it in your email. And if it's something that you need to watch right away or something you can save for later because it's sitting in your inbox, that's, it's your decision to make at that point. All right. Once again, also, if you're there underneath the video, there is a thumbs up area, which if you press it, the number will go up and it turns blue. That really helps me on the YouTube platform. YouTube uses that if there's a certain amount, I don't know what it is, but if they see a lot of the thumbs up, they then take my videos and they put them in front of other people's feeds that enjoy this type of content, but just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet on this vast, large YouTube platform. So thanking you in advance for doing that for me. It's a simple thumbs up. It takes 1 second. It's right underneath the video, but it means a lot. All right. Today, I'm here to discuss with you some information that came to me via Instagram. It's about the Allure beauty box. There is going to be a price increase starting October the 1st, and it is big. It is going from a $15 a month box up to a $23 a month box. I went on Allure's website to try to get some information about it, some more information, and there is nothing on there. As you know, I get my Allure beauty box monthly, and I'm on a monthly plan through Amazon, and it's been $15 a month, including the shipping, and I always usually get it in the middle of the month. When I saw this information, I went to take some of the notes down on a couple of the people whose platforms I saw it on Instagram, as well as a few people that reached out to me so thoughtfully on my DMs on Instagram. But as you guys know, I work and there's only so many hours in the day, so I very rarely have the luxury to sit and really look at Instagram and be able to decipher a lot of the information. However, so if I don't get back to the DMs right away, that is the reason why. It's just the telephone for me is always on the side, turned off, so that there's no distractions. And then when I get an opportunity periodically through the day to check a couple things, that's what I do. But I want to make sure that the girls that did reach out to me, they wanted to make sure that I knew about it, which is beyond thoughtful. I heard a little bit about this, but I really didn't know what the story was. And then RV Mama posted her letter, I guess, that she received. She probably gets the information because she might be getting the box through Allure.com. I think this is, they wrote within that letter, it's for the people that have been loyal to their box, so they wanted them to know about this information. And like I said, I get mine through Amazon.com, so you don't get the same type of information because I didn't get it, and it's not on their website where I went to check. Also, Chris Cat was DMing me to make sure that I knew about this, and she wanted to make sure, because she has not heard anybody talk about it, that if I could use my platform to make sure that everyone knew about it. I was planning on doing that, which is what I wrote back to her, but I was waiting for my Allure beauty box to show up first. But the post office keeps telling me it's supposed to be here, and every day that it's supposed to be here, they then send me later in the day, after I've been like waiting for the postman to arrive, that there's been a delay. So I decided to sit down and take the notes down the best that I could, because you know me, when I come to do a video, I come prepared. And I'm going to share that information with you, and I'm going to share with you what I chose to do. Understand, this is my decision of what I'm planning on doing. Everybody budgets their money differently. A couple of people that I read some of the comments on a couple of the Instagrams that I saw were mixed. Some people, it's a big jump from 15 to 23. They don't know if they're going to continue with the box. And others took advantage of freezing the actual price, which is one of the things that they're doing here. So let me read to you everything that I wrote, and then we'll discuss it right afterwards. Okay? All right. So these are the Allure Beauty boxes this is my understanding of what the changes are going to be. It says starting October 1st, 2020. So it's just a couple of months. The monthly, not even, it's like September and then October 1st. It says monthly price for the Allure Beauty box is increasing to $23. And it's also getting a major upgrade. Starting in October, you will enjoy these new benefits. At least 6 products each month will be valued at least $100 or more. There are going to be 3 or more full-size items in every box. There are going to be exclusive opportunities to get your favorite luxury and indie brands at member-only prices. There's going to be special offers on their limited edition boxes, and there's going to be access to member-only events with Allure editors and beauty experts. You can go to Allure's website and sign up for the annual plan at the current rate, which is $165, or you can call customer service. I'm going to give you the phone number, and I'm also going to leave this phone number in the description box. It's 1-800-274-1603. This needs to be done prior to October the 1st to take advantage of this limited time, non-refundable offer. If you do nothing, your subscription will automatically renew and your credit card will be charged the new rate of $23 each month until you cancel starting October the 1st. I went to the website and I chose to sign up for the yearly so that I can freeze the price. And when I did, within the area where it said for 1 year, in brackets right underneath, it said if you sign up for the yearly, there is a bonus of 17 products of a value of at least $276. So I decided that I would do the yearly and I would start it now. The reason I decided to start it now, and the reason I was hesitant, I did go to the frequently asked questions because I wanted to know if I signed up on the 15th, am I going to get an August box, or am I still going to get the next month's box? And they said, and they made it really clear, and their example was with January. They said if you, any day in January, from the 1st of January to the 31st of January, if you sign up for a subscription during that period, any day in January, you will get a January box. So I already knew that I was going to get a box this month. I'm waiting for it. So I was planning originally to wait till September the 1st so that I would be at the beginning of the month. I would know the billing cycle. I would know everything. And I just wanted to start September the 1st because, as you know, I'm getting my August box any day now. The reason I didn't wait was I decided that because of this extra bonus of 17 products that has a value of $276, I figured that was worth it for me to get a second box in this month. Worst comes to worst, it'll not even better than better. Not worst comes to worst, it'll end up becoming a giveaway for you guys. But for me, the decision was to spend the money today and have that extra box as opposed to waiting for September 1st when possibly that other little bonus that's in brackets for the yearly, once they do this increase, that they won't be giving away that 17 products bonus, which has a value of $276. That's my mindset. That's what I chose to do, and that's what I ended up doing. They also had an option that you can hook it into your Amazon Pay. So that's what I ended up doing. So I ticked it off. It immediately went to an area where it had all my information, the name, my address, the credit card on file. I just ticked off everything in agreement. Everything was done perfectly. It took less than 10 seconds to do. And then the payment is still going to be like how I was paying for it on Amazon. And so it just gave me that comfort zone too. So that's what I ended up doing. So what I ended up doing was the amount is $165 for the year. and you're saying to yourself, but then it doesn't equal, you know, $15 a month. It's already discounted. From what I understand, and a lot of subscription boxes do this, the longer you, and especially if you do a year, the price goes down on the monthlies. But you have to prepay, and it's non-refundable for the entire year. So it is going to be costing me around $13.75 a month, plus tax. So each state is different. So my $165 is the net, and then it was over $170 based on the taxes, but that's different in every state. So that's because it's the annual. So I'm able to freeze now until next year this time that I'll be paying the $13.75 as opposed to the $23 a month if I stayed on the month-to-month starting in October. And I wouldn't have gotten that bonus of the 17 products. And I know that bonus has been around for a while. My concern was that bonus was around before anyone even mentioned this big change. So I wanted to make sure to get the bonus and freeze it. And that's why I didn't wait till September the 1st. That was my mindset. They also, in the past, had these limited edition boxes. As you know, I get my Allure magazine, and that's where I get a lot of my information about Allure, because, like I said, I was getting it through Amazon.com and not Allure.com. And in that magazine, I tear out and I share with you guys the confirmed sneak peeks of what's going to be in future boxes. I try to do that as soon as the magazine comes in. And in one of the magazines that I got, they had a limited edition box that was a K beauty box, which was fantastic. But because I got the magazine, I was able to be considered an Allure member, no different than if I was getting their beauty box. So I got the discounted price on that K beauty, but that box in the magazine is available to everybody. But if you're a member of Allure, you got it at a discounted price. So that's stuff that I think they're going to be doing more and more. But it also looks like they're going to be adding additional products, I think possibly similar to what we get when we see the sales on BoxyCharm and things like that, and like add-ons and things like that. So I think they're going to start going that route where we can get discounted prices as well. So I just thought that if I can save it a little bit now, then in the long run, if there's these other bonuses or boxes or things, and that extra money that I feel I'm saving, I'll be able to put towards that. But like I said, that's me budgeting my finances. You have to do what makes you comfortable. Some people take the approach, let me wait and see what it's all about, and I'll pay what the price is, what the price should be. Some people don't have the $100+ to put in one lump sum, you know, to pay for this. I understand that too. I'm just sharing with you what I chose to do. That's what my channel is. It's for me to share so that you guys know the options. And then I always choose to share with you what I chose to do. So then you have to make those other decisions in reference to yourself, because everybody's finances are, you know, their own private matter. Okay. So once again, I was planning on waiting to share this with you with the box. Thank you so much to everybody who reached out to me on Instagram. I did respond back to all of you to make sure that I'm aware of this, and I was planning on doing this. I was just planning on doing it when I got the box and not a separate video. I will mention this again when I do get the box so that everybody knows about it. So if they missed this video, they would at least know about it during my unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box, which hopefully I will see all of you there as well when it does arrive. All right? Once again, everybody, I always appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to choose to spend it with me. So thank you. And everybody, at this time, I always like to end my videos to tell you guys to continue to stay safe and stay well, because this is all fun as long as we all have our health. All right? And I'll see you all in my next video. Please leave me in the comments down below what you decided to do. I really am truly interested, and I really want to make sure to keep that communication open. If you chose to do and freeze it at this price, if you chose to take the wait and see, if you chose to cancel that you don't want this box at $23, I really want that communication back and forth, because I am curious, and I'm hoping that the decision that I made is going to work out in the long run. In my gut is what I went with, and that's what I feel is the best thing to do for me, because I have a channel. All right? Once again, everybody, stay well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.